Welcome to this unboxing video of MMTC PAM 5 gram gold bar. It took a whole week to finally get this 24 karat gold bar. Hi, my name is Venkat Karthik Manchalla and in this video I am going to unbox this MMTC gold bar from Paytm Gold Savings Plan. First impressions. The package was untampered, which is a good thing, and the security measures are great from Paytm. As the delivery guy who is delivering the gold asks for an OTP to confirm delivery to us, which will be sent to us on the date of delivery. You can see the screenshot. I had to black out the delivery guide details. By the way, if you plan or planning for your retirement, then you should be investing in precious metals such as silver and gold, which could act as hedge against inflation. Click on the card on your screen at the top to see the video about the disadvantages and advantages of investing in gold. Back to the video. Here are the contents of our package. We get a gold bar, a thank you card, and some receipts. More on these receipts and the amount later in this video. I blacked out my details for obvious reasons. And it's time to open up this box, and here is our beauty. A 5 gram Lotus Series gold bar from MMTC PAM. If you want to know how to invest in gold online, then click on the card right now where I will show you how to purchase gold online via Paytm, PhonePe and Google Pay. In the front we have LBMA logo, the front side of the gold bar with lotus design on it, and at the back and at the bottom MMTC PAM logo. Now in the back we have manufacturing details at the top, and then in the middle the gold bar backside with MMTC logo, gold bar weight that is 5 gram fine gold, its purity that is 999.9 and its serial number. In the bottom we also have a certificate number which is unique to every gold bar, manufacture date which doesn't matter as gold has no expiry. We also get metal weight and fineness and a QR code which contains our serial number. Now I cannot wait to peel off this cover, so here we go. Here is its true beauty. I really have to admire this box with its magnetic hold and aesthetic color. Now we also get a thank you letter, so it says thank you for purchasing. Now back to the receipts. Let's open up the receipts, and here we go. We also get a receipt from Paytm and 2 receipts from MMTC PAM. One is for tax and another is for delivery statement. Now I'll share a screenshot of the receipts from Paytm as well as MMTC PAM, and also give the details on the screen right now, which shows the amount that I paid for this gold bar and other delivery charges. So that's about it for this video. Please check out my other videos and also do subscribe if you like this video.